No internet. Just, can you help me? My PC is saying no internet. I don't know how to do it. See, no internet.
Yeah, no internet. You try open this, go to setting.
Okay. Yep.
Oh, see? No network connection.
Oh yeah lah.
Muffin, can you help this?
Muffin, can you help me find out? I think the cable is problem.
Yeah, you're correct. I think we need to make a new cable.
That's mean make a new cable.
In this video, students will be explained about the network technology module and cover for the topic network cable termination for UTP cable. Half the objective of this video is to identify equipment for termination of twisted pair cable and to implement the termination of twisted pair cable as known as straight cable UTP. What is UTP cable? UTP cable is a type of copper cable widely used for networking purposes. UTP cables consist of pairs of insulated wires that are twisted together to reduce interference and crosstalk. They are commonly used in Ethernet networks for transmitting data signals. What is the purpose of unshielded twisted pair cable? Twisted pairs are made up of two insulated copper wires that are twisted together. The twisting is done to help cancel exterior electromagnetic interference. Crosstalk interference can come from other pairs within a cable. Students need to identify type of UTP cable. Okay. Now let we check the equipment termination for UTP cable. The tools which will be used to include cable cutter, to properly cut either wire or cable. UTP cable stripper, to remove the cable jacket without damaging the internal conductors. UTP crimping tool to terminate UTP cable with our J45 connector. Our J45 connector used to verify the electrical connections in a signal cable or other wired assembly. Cable UTP. Cable tester used to verify the electrical connections in a signal cable or other wired assembly. And measuring tape to measure length of cable, etc. Here is color code for straight through UTP cable for T568 and T568B. First, cut the cable to exact length using measuring tape. To make the cable neat, insert our J45 cable protector as an addition to streamline the termination work. Insert cable into UTP stripper to the desired strip length. Strip off only as much cable jacket needed to properly terminate the pairs. Unto 1.5 inches should be sufficient to terminate pairs. Assemble the wire from left to right and arrange the wire according to the standard. Trim the excess to streamline the arrangement. Holding the RJ45 connectors so that its pins are facing away from you. Insert the flatten and pushing through until the wire ends emerge. Firmly squeeze the crimpers handles together until you can't go any further. Release the handles and repeat this step to ensure a proper crimp. Now your cable is ready to be tested using cable tester. Get an UTP cable tester. Plug the cable into the tester, turn on the tester and watch if any lights don't activate during the cycle. If all lights are lit on both sides, it indicates you have succeeded.
Yeah, got internet.
Thank God we are 60 students.
Yes.
Thank you for watching. Please scan the QR code to check your understanding of this topic.